This is week 9. It's Tuesday, the 22nd. Scaling networks. We covered a little bit of EIGRP, and we got the first lab going. Just got started. Topics. We're going to cover a lot more details on Thursday. But first on Thursday, we're meeting with Jim Deegan's going to come up, and we have the couple switches in our rack. We have a nimble storage, and we're going to look at the best combination of connecting all of the virtual machines and the storage for the best usage here for our network. So we're looking at a complete redesign. Tech Brew tonight. I don't know how many will make it, but I'll be there. Linux workstations. This is the user and the password, so that you can log into Linux workstations and then use them. You can switch the cables around and use them in your network work. Okay. So we went over how to manage that today. This is a lab scenario we're actually going to use for the other class. And we did a little bit of work on it today. And in reality, this is really going to be device 18. This is still 31. And we're going to go out, and this is through, it's not through there anymore. We're switching, this is on the DMZ. So that doesn't actually go through that switch either. We go straight to the, let me do this. We go straight to the firewall. And we go straight to that. And that network, give the address for that, and that would be a 172.21.0.1. That address is this address on the edge of the firewall going into the DMZ. And this is the network the students are currently using for their multi-layered switch router project. A lot of notes on EIGRP. Anyway, we talked a little bit about it. And, reliable transport protocol. That is an R. Doesn't look like it. So we talked a little bit about it. There is a lot of material in the chapter. Now, I don't expect people to remember it all, but we need to go through all of it. Over the next 2 weeks or so. So, and that's chapter 6 and chapter 7. And then 8, 9, and 10 are all OSPF. This is how we divided up the routers. Chris M is router 2. Chris W's got router 1, and KW, Kevin White, got router 3. And so this should be 23, that should be 22, and that should be 21. And we are going to, we didn't hook it up yet, but we will hook this up to the internet. And then we can get that look at what we're doing for this first lab is IP version 4 EIGRP. Oh, let me mention this too. No keep alive. If you put that, if you go into these interfaces here, assign the IP address, and then go into each interface and say a no keep alive, what will happen is those interfaces will stay up And then, you know, when we're not here and we're working on this from home, you will see then when EIGRP exchanges these, they'll also exchange these LANs into the network too. And then you can ping those, like, you know, from here you'll be able to ping that interface, because it'll be up. Yeah, I'm glad I mentioned that. That's it.